Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to save money on Tommy Hilfiger with DealSeek. To save money on Tommy Hilfiger with DealSeek, you need to follow this step. So firstly open any of the web browser that you prefer. And in the top there's this address bar, type down dealseek.com and enter it. And once you get into this interface of this DealSeek, in the search bar in the top here, you need to type down Tommy Hilfiger and select enter. So over here, you can also browse all the available Tommy Hilfiger deals and you can use this filter in the top. And in the left hand side, you can go to this verified, you can go to this coupon, promo codes, and you can also select for the minimum discount. You can choose it and you can also choose for the price range that you want. And here you can select for the promo codes only and you can select for the verified low price, all brands, or you can also go to the sort feature. And that is it. This is how you can save money on Tommy Hilfiger with DealSeek. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.